we will show how to write code with webhooks to do product availability check for users. Let's have a quick demo. Do you have Flopchino? The code will check what we have and give the response. Try something we have. As shown in the demo, when customer asks, do you have something, we do the food availability check first, then give different response. Let's build it. Create a new intent. Order.doyouhave. Create a context. It's a variable used to store the food customer ordered. Add trending phrases. Do you have latte? We can see latte is captured as coffee type. Frappuccino wasn't captured successfully. Let's manually add it. Set it as required. Save it. Let's move forward to fulfillment. Similar to previous video, let's add a function to handle intent. Order.doyouhave. First, copy the function we created in last video. Because these two intents are very similar and it's gonna save us a lot of work. Get context. Coffee underscore do have. It's the variable store customer's order. Variable food we offer. It's a list. Store all the coffee we have. Here we compare the food customer want to what we have. So if we have it, we reply with yes, what can I get for you? If we don't have it, we give another response. Let's deploy the code. Take a quick look of the diagnostic info. We can see context, coffee _ do you have? Coffee type, latte, is the order from customer. To recall, today we built an intent to handle food availability check. When customer asks, do you have something? We are able to check what we have and give the correct response. In next video, we will build the FAQ feature to answer the frequently asked questions from customers. Subscribe the channel for future updates. Share the video with your friends who are interested in building chatbots. See you in next video.